If you're not using your offset properly, you could be leaving money on the table. Quite literally. The good news is fixing it is simple and it starts today. In this video, I'll show you how it works, the common mistakes to avoid, and how to make the best of every dollar that's parked in there. I'm Dr. Linda Hamilton, author of Pay It in 5. I'm here to help you make smarter and more informed decisions so you can set yourself up in life. If that appeals to you, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a money muscle workout, and make yourself a regular here at Money Shape Up. Making the best use of your offset account can pay you dividends in the long run. Using it to its fullest potential will help you to build wealth faster. Let's start with what is an offset account. An offset account is a transaction account that is linked to your home loan, just like a regular account, but instead it's working for you 24/7. It is a separate account to your home loan account. When you put money in there, it reduces or offsets the amount of interest that you pay on your home loan. For example, if your home loan is $500,000 and you have $50,000 in your offset account, you'll be paying interest on $450,000 instead of $500,000. It's like having a secret weapon in your home loan strategy. Every dollar in your offset reduces the amount of interest that you pay on your home loan. And because interest is calculated daily, the benefits stack up quickly. Even a small amount in your offset can make a difference. You're not just saving on interest, you're giving yourself options, giving you flexibility to grow your portfolio. So if you decide one day that you want to rent your property out, keeping your extra repayments in the offset instead of the home loan allows you to do two things. Number one, the original home loan remains high, which may help preserve tax deductibility on interest if your property becomes an investment. This is known as preserving loan deductibility, and it's one of the biggest advantages that you can have when using an offset account and using it strategically. Number two, tax rules in Australia, the US, and the UK so that once money goes into your home loan account, you can't touch that money for personal reasons. So if you pay your home loan off and all your money is sitting in your home loan account, you can't use that money to go and buy yourself another house. You could use it to buy an investment property, but not something for yourself. You can't use that money. You can't take that money out of the home loan. But if you put extra repayments into your offset account, you can use the money in the offset to buy another property, even for yourself. How to set up your offset account. Before you get an offset account, there are 5 questions to ask your lender. Number 1, ask if an offset account is available with the home loan account that you have. Some basic home loans don't offer offset accounts, so it's important that you find out if yours does. Number 2, ask if it's 100% offset. Some offset accounts are only partial offsets. When you use your offset, you want it to be 100% offset. Number 3, check that interest is applied daily, because some lenders will only apply it monthly. Most of them do apply offset daily, but double check just in case. Number 4, ask about the fees. Some offset accounts come with fees, some do not. Check with your lender how much the fees are and how often you need to pay them. And number 5, how many offset accounts can you have? Our home loan lets us have about 10 offset accounts. So we have an offset for our daily transactions, we have an offset for special bills, and we have an offset that we don't withdraw from. So it keeps building up over time. Once you've met with your lender and you're happy with your offset account, open the offset account and link it to your home loan. Once you've got your offset, you're ready to go, but there's a couple of things to note. There are 5 common mistakes that people make when using an offset account. Number 1, they leave money in a regular savings account instead of an offset account. The interest rate on regular savings accounts are usually lower than a home loan. So leaving the money in your savings account thinking that you're earning money means that you'll actually save less in the long run. When you move that money to your offset instead, you will be able to reduce the amount that you have to pay in interest, which is more than you would gain than if you were to have it in a regular savings account. This is also important because when you're making money or earning money from your regular savings account, that means you'll need to pay tax on the money that you earn from your regular savings account. Whereas if it was in your offset, you don't have to pay extra tax on the amount that you save in interest. Number 2, not linking your home loan to the offset account. If you have multiple offset accounts set up, make sure that they're all linked directly to your home loan. Number 3, assuming that every account that you have is an offset. If you can get multiple offset accounts, make sure you understand which accounts are actually offset accounts and which ones are other transactional accounts. Some might even be partial or not offset at all. So double check to make sure you understand which accounts are offset and making sure that they're linked directly to your home loan. Number 4, it can be very tempting to spend money just because it's there. And when you see it building up, you may very well want to use that money. Too many transactions that come out of your offset account lower the balance on your offset account, which means you're not getting the full effect in reducing your interest repayments. If you can have more than one offset account, have one offset account specifically for money that you can't touch. This is what we do. We have a separate account that we don't touch that money. That is specifically for the offset to reduce the interest on our home loan. The other accounts are a bonus because they're our bill or spending accounts. And number 5, people get so excited to use their offset account that they put their full repayments into the offset account. But you need to remember to pay your minimum repayments into your actual home loan because you actually have to pay that off at the same time. So put your minimum repayments into your home loan and any extra additional repayments into your offset account. If you want to know how much extra to repay, watch this video. If you want to use your offset the smart way, here's 3 things you can do. Number 1, put your salary straight into the offset, whether it's an everyday account or some other account. Make sure your income is going straight to your offset, so as soon as you get paid, it's working for you. Number 2, keep your savings in there. Don't treat it as an everyday account. Use it to save money. Don't use it as an everyday transaction account. Once it's in there, it's locked away and you can't touch it again. And number 3, put your extra repayments into your offset. If you have a lump sum payment come to you, put that in the offset. Build up your offset, build up your savings, build it up so that when you're ready to move on to your next property or your next investment or your next venture, you've got it ready. If the money's in your offset, you can withdraw it later if you decide to make your property an investment and you want to buy another property or you want to use it for some other kind of investment. With an offset account, you still have full access to your money. This will help to keep your investment loan balance and tax deductibility intact. If you found this useful and you know someone who would benefit from this video, share it with them and let me know in the comments how you're making your offset work for you. And if you're ready to go deeper and create a plan specifically for your situation, and you want to work with me, comment below with the word waitlist to work directly with me. Happy house hunting and see you in the next one. Before you go, because you've made it to the end, I would like to show my thanks with an exclusive offer for you. I launched Money Shape Up in 2025 and each month in 2025, I'm giving away a free copy of my book, Pay It In 5. If you'd like to win a copy, click on the link in the description. I believe in sharing knowledge and resources, and I love hearing stories on how this helps you. Happy house hunting and see you again in just a moment.